are refreshed from the weekend and you had some time to, I don't know, relax, because let me tell you, it is going to be a long week, and I mean that weather-wise. We've got temperatures that will be coming down the midweek and even into the weekend, and so the winter days, the winter temps, they're not over. We're back into the mid-30s. Could even get colder than that, and yes, we could see a little bit of some snow. I don't want to say it, this is the first week of spring, but you know what? This time of year, it is possible. We still have about 10%, less than 10% of getting some of our snow. So, what did we see today? Well, we saw those temperatures start to rise overnight. And so we've been influenced by some warm air. And today was a really nice day. Temperatures were around the upper 50s, even lower 60s. Right now we've seen an increase just in the Great Lakes, a good 12 degrees, but there is cooler weather, and it'll come once a cold front moves through, but not until after Wednesday afternoon, actually. But it is an active weather week. We've got watches and warnings well to the north of us where they're going to continue to see some winter weather, and we're going to be influenced by a couple of storm systems that originated off the California coast, northern California. So right now the temperature is 59. This could be our high for today. It is 72 in Champaign. Look at the 80s in St. Louis and Columbia. So you can really see where that warm front is right now. Just needed that warm front to lift a little bit farther to the north and we would have been in some warmer air. But we've seen temperatures increase a good 10 to almost 15 degrees just in the Chicagoland area. So what's going on? Well, ouch. It's not very warm, though, in Kenosha and Waukegan. Winds are coming off the lake. It's 48 in Kenosha right now, Waukegan 47, but 61 in Bartlett, 61 in Joliet, and 63 in Kankakee, where those winds haven't affected the temperature, but those winds coming off the lake will keep the lakeshore much cooler, especially this time of year. Here's the satellite and radar. We started off with lots of stratus clouds this morning, but then they did erode or mix out throughout the afternoon, so we were able to see some sunshine. Now we'll have this weak ridge of high pressure move through the area. We will be influenced by another warm front. This is what's going to help keep temperatures tonight mild, and even for Tuesday they'll be anywhere from the upper 40s again to right around the lower 60s, all depending on where that range is going to be. But we are going to see showers and thunderstorms throughout the day. Tomorrow it'll start overnight tonight, and we'll keep the wet weather in the forecast even through Wednesday before we start seeing the snow line, also known as like the 540 line, come into Chicago. So look at the cooler air. Green Bay, Rhinelander, Minneapolis, Madison, it looks like we'll be seeing some snow by Wednesday afternoon. We could still see some light rain for us, and then a little bit of some light snow for Thursday, a few flurries on Friday. So in the next 48 hours, we're looking at precipits amount. I think that this is relatively high. This is just a collaboration of some of our models, one of our forecast models, and this is actually just one of our models, and it's going over 1 inch. I think under a thunderstorm, yeah, you're going to get some heavy amounts of rain, but I think the heaviest will actually stay further to the north, so maybe around 1/2 inch to 3/4 of an inch, and we've already seen 32/100ths of an inch of rain from the storms that came through just the last 24 hours. So tonight, showers and thunderstorms, mild temps 40 to 46 with those winds still coming off the lake, and then periods of showers and thunderstorms throughout the day. Remember, big temperature ranges farther to the north, especially if those winds are coming off the lake, much cooler in the upper 40s. To the south, however, as that warm front lifts, temperatures will be in the lower 60s. And so showers and thunderstorms are early this week, and then flurries for Thursday. Chilly, however, temps only in the mid-30s. And then early next week, like I said, it's going to be a long week. Temperature high 29. I don't know if that's going to stay or hold true, but that's what we're seeing right now. I'm meteorologist Duffy Atkins in the WGN Weather Center, where it is Duffinately Weather.